أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today is our second class of the first lesson in which we were learning about the origins of the letters, Arabic letters. So the first letter was Alif. We will inshallah discuss this Alif in detail when we will join this letter with some other letter, Arabic letter. The next letter which we have learned in the last class was Ba. Ba is pronounced by joining both the lips, upper lips and lower lips, and by having some stress, by pressing, by having stress on both the lips. Ba. The next letter is Ta, which is pronounced by touching the tongue's tip to the root or front upper two teeth, the point from which the teeth are joining to the upper jaws of the palate. The point your tongue will touch our tongue's tip to that point to pronounce this letter. Ta. The next letter is letter Tha. This letter is pronounced by touching tongue's tip to the edge, the bottom or front upper central two teeth. And by reading this and pronouncing this letter, part of our tongue will come out from it. The next letter is letter G. This letter is pronounced by touching the tongue's center part to the upper palate. There are about three letters which are read this way, a bit changing. Jeen, Sheen, and Ya. Jeen, Sheen, and Ya. Inshallah, we will discuss about the difference of the origins of these three letters in detail in a picture view. The next letter, Arabic letter, is Ha. It is pronounced like we are having full breath. And the origin of this letter is the middle of the throat, the midpoint, the middle or central point of our throat. The next letter is letter Ra. We have discussed this letter in detail in the previous class, and this letter is one of the bold letters. This is pronounced by making our mouth round, and the origin of this letter is a point of throat which is joining with our mouth. Next letter is letter Dal, and the origin of this letter is same as the origin of letter Ta. It is also pronounced by touching the tongue's tip to the root, to the joining point of front upper central two teeth. The next letter is letter Val. It is pronounced like a Fa. The origin of this letter is same as letter Fa, and it is pronounced by touching tongue's tip to the edge, to the bottom of front upper two teeth, and our tongue will come a little out of our mouth in pronouncing this letter. The next letter is letter Ra. Letter Ra is pronounced by touching the root, the joining part of front upper central four teeth. Means that a much bigger part of our tongue will touch to the upper palate, the joining part of central four upper four raw, raw. The tongue will touch the upper palate, the point which is joining to the upper central four teeth. The next letter is letter Z. Letter Z is produced by joining the tip of the tongue to the by joining the tip of the tongue to the central two teeth at the lower jaw, and a little part of the tongue will also touch the upper central two teeth. It means a bigger part will touch the lower central two teeth and a little part will touch the upper central two teeth. In this way, we will also join our upper and lower teeth to produce this letter. Z. It will have a buzzing sound, a B-like sound when it is pronounced. Next letter is letter Sin. It is also pronounced like letter Za. The origin of this letter is same as letter Za. Letter Sin is pronounced by touching the tongue tip to the central lower two teeth. A little part of the tongue will also touch the upper central two teeth. In Za, the much bigger part of the tongue will touch the lower central two teeth and a little part will touch the upper central two teeth. The next letter is letter Shin. Letter Shin is pronounced by touching the tongue's middle part to the upper part. Letter Shin is pronounced by touching the tongue's middle part to the upper palate. The next letter is letter Sod. Letter Sod is pronounced in one of the bold letters, and the origin of letter Sod is same as letter Za and Sin. Means it will also be pronounced by touching the tongue's tip to the central lower teeth, and a little part will also touch the upper central teeth. The next letter is letter God. Right. The origin of letter God has a big detail. Letter God is pronounced by touching both the sides of the tongue, left side and right side, to the root of left side teeth and right side. Means the left side of the tongue will touch the root of left side teeth and the right side of the tongue will touch to the root of right side teeth. But in this way, to pronounce this letter is a bit difficult. Another origin of this letter is that you can also pronounce this letter by touching either left side or right side. The easiest way is to touch the left side of your tongue with the root of left teeth. Word, word. The next letter is letter O. Letter O is pronounced same as letter Ta. Letter O is pronounced by touching the tongue's tip to the root, to the joining part of front upper central tooth. It will also be bold letter. Means all the bold letters will be pronounced by making the mouth pronounce with bold letters. So, so. The next letter is Ra. It's pronounced same as letter Ra and letter Sa. The origin of this letter is touching the tongue's tip to the bottom, to the edge of front upper central tooth. A little part of the tongue will also come out while pronouncing this letter. The next letter is letter Ain. Ain. This letter is pronounced from the middle part through. This letter is pronounced in the middle part of throat, the part of throat which is between our chest and our neck. The next letter is letter Y. Y. This letter is pronounced from the part of our throat which is nearer to our mouth. The next letter is letter Fa. Letter Fa is same pronunciation of letter Fa is same as the English letter F. Letter Fa is pronounced by touching the lower lip to the edge of upper cervical teeth. It will also touch. It will also touch the ear, which is side by the center teeth. It means that lip, the lower lip can touch the upper central teeth during pronouncing the next letter is letter R. This letter is pronounced by touching the root of our tongue, the point from which our tongue is joined with the mouth of the point to the upper R. Next letter is letter Ta. Ta. The origin of this letter is same as letter Ta. But the difference between them is that our part is whole letter, we will read as hard letter, and the part is soft. Next letter is letter Lam. So the letter Lam is pronounced by touching the tongue tip to the upper palate. Pronunciation of letter Lam, Noon, and Ra is almost origin is almost same. Letter Ra was also pronounced by touching the tongue's tip to the palate, upper palate, the point which is joined with the front upper central tooth. Letter Lam and letter Noon are pronounced in the same origin. Next letter is Noon. Noon. So letter Noon is pronounced by joining two lips. This joining will not be like letter Da with a stress. It will be without stress. Noon. Next letter is letter Noon. This letter is pronounced the same as letter Lam and Ra. By touching the tongue's tip to the upper palate, the joining part of tongue, upper central tooth. Next letter is letter Wow. Wow. This letter is also pronounced. The origin of this letter is two lips, but the lips will not be joined. Next letter is letter Ha. Ha. This letter and letter Hamza. These two letters, the origin of these two letters is same. The origin of these two letters is the part of throat which is nearer to our chest. Next letter is Ya. Ya. And this letter is pronounced by touching the tongue's middle point to the upper palate. Ya. 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 So this is all. This is a description of these letters, the Arabic letters with their origin and their reading. Now we should read all the letters at least one time. How we will read them. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Sha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sad, Wad, Ta, Ra, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Nun, Dal, Ha, Hamza, Ya, Ya. So these are the all letters, Arabic letters, which we have read with the way of pronunciation, and also with the origins, which are in the next class. We will discuss the origins with picture, two or three pictures in detail, so that the origins could be understood completely. So stay tuned. Inshallah, we'll meet in the next video with picture of the origins. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi